Welcome to Rapidly Express. Our mission is to provide fast, reliable, and affordable express delivery services, connecting businesses and individuals across the Philippines with speed efficiency. Our vision is to establish Rapid Go Express delivery services in the Philippines, known for its dependable network, competitive pricing, and dedication to providing exceptional customer experiences. The foundation of Rapid Go Express lies in a comprehensive planning process. Our primary goals are ambitious yet achievable. First, we aim to achieve 95% on-time delivery rate within our first year, demonstrating our commitment to reliability. Second, we intend to acquire 1,000 business clients within the same time frame, establishing strong customer base. Third, we are dedicated to customer satisfaction, targeting a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. Finally, with an eye towards the future, we plan to expand our operation to cover all major cities in the Philippines within 5 years. To achieve these goals, we will be implementing several key strategies. A core element will be investing in a state-of-the-art delivery tracking system, allowing a real-time monitoring and proactive identification of potential delays. We will also focus on developing strong relationships with e-commerce businesses, creating a mutually beneficial partnership and a consistent stream of delivery orders. Exceptional customer service will be paramount, building loyalty and positive word of mouth. Finally, we will continuously optimize our delivery routes and schedules to maximize efficiency and minimize delivery times. These strategies will be put into action through detailed and actionable plans. We will research and select a suitable delivery tracking system provider by a specific date, integrate it seamlessly with our IT infrastructure, and train all employees on its use. We will also identify and target potential e-commerce clients, develop a compelling sales and marketing plan, and offer competitive pricing and customized delivery solutions. To ensure exceptional customer service, we will establish clear standards and procedures, train our representatives thoroughly, and implement a feedback system to monitor and improve satisfaction. Lastly, we will analyze delivery data, develop optimized routes and schedules using specialized software, and implement these improvements to enhance efficiency. To effectively execute our plan, RapidGo Express will adopt hierarchical organizational structure to ensure clear lines of authority, efficient decision-making, and accountability. This structure will allow us to maintain consistent standards across all operations and provide clear career paths for all employees. This hierarchical structure will provide the stability and content needed to deliver reliable and efficient express delivery service. RapidGo Express recognizes that our employees are our most valuable asset. To build a skilled and motivated workforce, we will implement a comprehensive staffing strategy. Our selection process will be rigorous, utilizing online job boards, social media, and employer referrals to attract a diverse pool of qualified applicants. We will conduct a thorough application screenings, phone and face-to-face interviews, aptitude tests, skills assessments, and background checks to identify the best individuals for each role. Once hired, employees will participate in job shadows, followed by specific training on topics such as safe driving practices, package handling procedures, customer service skills, and the use of our technology platforms. We are also committed to providing ongoing opportunities for our employees' development, including monitoring programs, skills development workshops, and leadership development programs. We believe that by investing in our employees, we can create a positive work environment, improve employee retention, and deliver exceptional service to our customers. At RapidGo Express, we as owners and leaders believe in the power of transformational leadership. We will inspire and motivate our employees by articulating a clear and compelling vision for the future, challenging them to think creatively and innovate, and providing them with the support and resources they need to succeed. We will foster a culture of trust, respect, and open communication where all employees feel empowered to take risks and contribute their unique skills. Specifically, as leaders, we will inspire a shared vision by communicating a clear and compelling picture of Rapidly Express future, aligning everyone around common goals. Provide intellectual stimulation by encouraging critical thinking, challenging assumptions, and fostering innovative solutions. Offer individualized consideration by providing support and mentoring to help each employee develop their skills and reach their full potential. In addition to this transformational approach, we will also utilize a range of motivational techniques, including compensation, recognition and rewards, opportunities for growth, and empowerment. By combining transformational leadership with effective motivation, we will create a high performing and engaged workforce that is passionate about delivering exceptional service to our customers. To guarantee the consistent achievement of our objectives, Rapid Go Express will implement a comprehensive system for controlling and meticulously monitoring our performance. The system will be data driven, providing actionable insights into all facets of our operations. We will track several key performance indicators to gauge our progress and identify areas for potential improvement. These metrics include on-time delivery rate, customer satisfaction, sales and revenue, and employee turnover. Our monitoring method will encompass regular performance report, detailed customer feedback analysis, and in-depth data analysis. These tools will provide us with a holistic view of our performance, enabling us to make informed decisions and take proactive measures. Furthermore, effective delegation will be a key component of our controlling process. By delegating tasks and responsibilities to our capable employees, we empower them to take ownership of their assigned work, fostering accountability and promoting skill development. Through this rigorous and proactive approach to controlling and monitoring performance, Rapidly Express will ensure that we consistently deliver exceptional service and achieve our strategy objectives.